It's a big ass cat. Gavin, get down there beside the cat.
Okay. Get beside the cat.
Scoot up against him. Yeah, that's how big his tail is. That's a big kitty cat, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
About the size of a puppy, huh?
Yeah. Cat is not that big. But I haven't seen you for a long time. Me and Tater
He's a big old kitty.
Yeah, me and Tater likes this cat.
Yeah. He's got extra. Ooh, he don't like for his feet to be messed with.
No. No. I got an apple.
Okay, bye.
Who wants a Pop-Tart? Who wants a Pop-Tart? No one wants a Pop-Tart? No one wants a Pop-Tart.
No one?